Hi, I'm Rachel from TLAB at the Alto Library, and today I'm going to show you how to make jam rugelach. So grab your oven mitts and let's get baking. Traditional rugelach originated in Europe, but the rugelach most Jews know and love today is made with a cream cheese dough that is wrapped around a filling of jam, chocolate, or nuts to form a crescent shape. Rugelach are enjoyed all year round, but especially on Shabbat and during Hanukkah. The ingredients you'll need to make this jam rugelach are 1 cup or 2 sticks of unsalted butter at room temperature, 8 ounces of cream cheese at room temperature, 1/4 of a cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 egg, and 1 cup of high-quality jam or preserves. The flavor is your choice, but I used 1/2 cup of raspberry jam and 1/2 cup of apricot jam. You'll also need a large bowl, a hand or stand mixer, a round object such as a cake tin or bowl that is about 8 to 9 inches, a pizza cutter, a rolling pin, and a floured surface. To start, beat the butter and cream cheese until smooth. Then add the sugar, vanilla extract, and salt and beat this mixture until combined. Add the flour half at a time and mix just until the dough comes together. Then divide the dough into 4 pieces, wrap it in plastic wrap, and place it in the fridge for 1 to 2 hours.
2 hours later.
After 1 to 2 hours, preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Then take your dough out of the fridge and on a floured surface, roll a piece of dough into a large circle. Now using an 8 or 9 inch round, cut the dough into a perfect circle with your pizza cutter. Save the excess dough for later. Next, spread the circle of dough with a thin layer of jam, leaving a 1/4 inch border all around. Cut the dough into 8 even triangles with your pizza cutter. Starting at the long end, roll each triangle up and place them point side down on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper or aluminum foil. Repeat these steps with your other 3 pieces of dough. Then take your excess dough, add a little flour to it, and use it to make even more rugelach. This is what they should look like when you're done. Next, beat an egg and brush each rugelach with egg wash. I forgot to film this, but yeah. Bake for 16 to 18 minutes until golden and then allow them to cool. And there you go, tasty jam rugelach. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming content. And follow us on all the socials at Palo Library. Thanks for watching. Bye!